Hey, Plum Plum. Sorry it's raining outside. Hey, buddy. Medicine's got you feeling better? Passed out for a nap earlier. Good boy. Don't get nervous, buddy. You know how much we love you, Kit Kit. We love you too, Pumpkin. I love you too, Pumpkin. Don't get sister jealous. Watching your turtles, Kit. People on the internet worried about you, buddy. Just wanted to show them that you're okay. Let's see if we can get around that nostril. It blurred. Try not to turn the lights on in here to bother him. I have the hallway light on. The nostril looks better. I don't see blood in there right now. Uh-oh, you feel like playing. Don't get too excited, buddy. Kit wants to play. You are most definitely feeling a little better. Can I have your paw? Give me your paw, Kit. Come on, bro. Nope. I feel it. Sometimes medication makes me goofy too. Good boy. Let me let you watch your turtles now. What about you? Sorry, Plum Plum. Been filming Kit so much, I forget to pet you sometimes. Gotta come back at you. Gotta come back at you. You get some rest, buddy. I see a little bit of liquid in your nose. Yep, I was gonna close with a shot of Pumpkin, but she is licking, so we're not going to. We're gonna end on you, Kit. Bye.